Hey guys, this is Taylor with Freedom Boat Club. We're going to show you how to do the member check-in and check-out process today. So first thing you do, when you arrive, you walk up to this picnic table and you meet your dock staff, and then they will show you to the boat. So first thing dock staff will do is ask you how many people are going to be on the boat today. That includes everyone that you're picking up, as well as everyone on the boat. We ask you adults and children. Pets do not count, but you're more than welcome to bring them on the boat. Then they'll ask you where you guys are headed to today and a good estimated time of return. And then as well, they will grab the engine hours and the gas hour meter reading, so then we can calculate and charge you for gas. And then they'll hand you over the iPad and start all the inspections. All right, so you always want to make sure everything is on board. So we got life jackets, anchor, dock line, all of your stuff in the orange box, which includes your registration, flares, secondary sound device. And then you always want to make sure the prop and the skeg are looking good. They're in good shape because those do get damaged often, so it's good to double check those. After the dock staff has checked out everything, they will get the ropes and help you guys push off the dock. So when you're headed back into the docks, you radio to the dock staff and let them know that you're headed in. They will meet you on the docks and help bring you in. We are channel 69 on these radios. So once you're back on the docks, the dock staff will take the iPad and go through the whole checklist, making sure everything's here, just like you did when you went out, making sure all the life jackets are here, the anchor, the prop, skeg, making sure everything's looking good. And then they will take those hour and gas readings again, and that's how you'll be calculated and charged for gas. And then you're all set to enjoy the rest of your day.